Welcome back, digital pioneers. Last week, we explored trust and verification systems. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of emerging channels that are reshaping affiliate marketing. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, and the channels we're discussing today might be the gold mines of tomorrow. Just yesterday, a voice commerce affiliate campaign generated 2 million in sales through smart speakers alone. 5 years ago, this channel didn't even exist. That's the pace of change we're dealing with. Voice commerce revolution. Voice is becoming a primary interface for commerce. 1. Smart speaker penetration up 400% in 3 years. 2. Voice search growing 50% year over year. 3. Voice purchases expected to reach $80 billion by 2026. 4. Comfort with voice shopping, increasing across all age groups. The AI advantage in voice commerce. 1. Natural language understanding. 2. Context awareness. 3. Personalized recommendations. 4. Voice pattern recognition. 5. Behavior prediction. Augmented reality AR channels. AR is transforming how products are discovered and purchased. 1. Virtual try before you buy experiences. 2. In-home product visualization. 3. Interactive product demonstrations. 4. Enhanced shopping experiences. 5. Immersive brand storytelling. AI's role in AR affiliate marketing. 1. Real-time rendering optimization. 2. Personalized AR experiences. 3. Behavior tracking and analysis. 4. Conversion optimization. 5. Performance prediction. IoT and connected devices. The Internet of Things is creating new affiliate opportunities. 1. Smart home device integration. 2. Automated replenishment systems. 3. Connected car commerce. 4. Wearable technology integration. 5. Smart appliance purchasing. AI enhancement of IoT channels. 1. Usage pattern recognition. 2. Predictive ordering. 3. Personalized recommendations. 4. Cross-device optimization. 5. Real-time adaptation. Social commerce evolution. Social platforms are becoming primary shopping destinations. 1. In-app purchasing. 2. Live shopping experiences. 3. Social proof integration. 4. Influencer collaboration. 5. Community-driven commerce. AI's impact on social commerce. 1. Content personalization. 2. Influencer matching. 3. Engagement optimization. 4. Performance prediction. 5. Trend identification. Metaverse and virtual worlds. Emerging virtual environments present new opportunities. 1. Virtual storefronts. 2. Digital product marketing. 3. Virtual events and experiences. 4. Avatar-based commerce. 5. Virtual real estate applications in metaverse marketing. 1. Virtual environment optimization. 2. Behavior prediction. 3. Experience personalization. 4. Performance tracking. 5. Conversion optimization. Implementation strategies. How to approach new channels. Assessment phase. 1. Channel evaluation. 2. Resource requirements. 3. ROI potential. 4. Risk assessment. 5. Implementation timeline. Testing phase. 1. Pilot programs. 2. Performance monitoring. 3. User feedback. 4. Optimization opportunities. 5. Scale planning. Scaling phase. 1. Full implementation. 2. Performance optimization. 3. Resource allocation. 4. Process refinement. 5. Continuous improvement. Integration requirements. Technical needs for new channels. Infrastructure. 1. Processing capability. 2. Storage capacity. 3. Network bandwidth. 4. Security systems. 5. Integration frameworks. I components. 1. Natural language processing. 2. Computer vision. 3. Machine learning. 4. Predictive analytics. 5. Performance optimization data management. 1. Collection systems. 2. Processing capabilities. 3. Analysis tools. 4. Storage solutions. 5. Security protocols. Success metrics. Measuring effectiveness across channels. Engagement metrics. 1. User interaction. 2. Time spent. 3. Return visits. 4. Share rates. 5. Viral coefficient conversion metrics. 1. Purchase rate. 2. Average order value. 3. Customer lifetime value. 4. Return customer rate. 5. Referral rate, ROI metrics. 1. Cost per acquisition. 2. Revenue per user. 3. Profit margins. 4. Resource utilization. 5. Overall return. Future trends, preparing for tomorrow, emerging technologies. 1. Brain-computer interfaces. 2. Quantum computing applications. 3. Advanced AI integration. 4. New interface methods. 5. Enhanced reality systems. Market evolution. 1. Changing consumer behavior. 2. New platform emergence. 3. Regulatory changes. 4. Competition adaptation. 5. Technology adoption, strategic adaptation. 1. Business model evolution. 2. Process improvement. 3. Skill development. 4. Resource allocation. 5. Innovation focus, practical exercise for next week. 1. Evaluate potential new channels. 2. Assess resource requirements. 3. Create implementation plan. 4. Set success metrics. Looking ahead. Next week, revenue models and optimization. 1. Pricing strategies. 2. Commission structures. 3. Performance optimization. 4. Resource allocation. Key takeaways. 1. Early adoption of new channels can provide significant advantages. 2. AI is crucial for optimizing emerging channel performance. 3. Integration and testing are key to successful implementation. 4. Continuous monitoring and adaptation are essential questions to consider. 1. Which emerging channels align with your audience? 2. What resources do you need for implementation? 3. How will you measure success? 4. What risks need management? This concludes Lecture 8. Next week, we'll explore revenue models and optimization strategies. Come prepared with your channel evaluation results and questions.